there. Boy, this video is an exciting one. I am hoping to help you just jump and make your business go, way go. Extra money, extra income, and mainly extra profit, but also extra practice, because that's the idea, right? So I'm going to give you 5 tips to get you started. Because one of the things I am going to do with this YouTube video channel is create a coaching business for entertainment businesses just like you. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've coached a lot of entertainers. And so my goal is to coach you, right? I'm not talking about group coaching. I'm talking about one-on-one, looking at your specific business, your specific needs, your specific goals, and then I'll give you my best ideas on how to make those possible, how to manifest them. I have mentored a lot of people in this business and ran a bunch of businesses, and so I feel like I have some things to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, check the little bell to get notified, because trust me, the next few videos are going to rock. They're really powerful and a lot of fun. So without any further ado, let's get started on your tips for your balloon business. The second rule of thumb is get other people to sell your services for you, okay? I'm not talking talent agents, though yes, talent agents. People that book corporate parties, people at hotels and restaurants that book catering parties. Make a call to them, chat with them, send them your promo information. They will then sell it to their clients, right? And then they're booking you. Now, a lot of those kind of clients you can charge your retail rates for. Absolutely fine. But why not call some of the successful entertainment businesses in town? Say, hey, I'm new, I'm trained with balloons, I work with Dooney on his videos, and I would love to be one of your backup balloon people. They'll pay you less than they charge, because that's the way it works, but you get more work. Okay, you get more work. One time my son took a teaching job, because he got his master's degree in teaching math, to move up to Central California, right? And he didn't really realize that when you get set up on something like that, you don't get paid for a while. 60 days, 90 days until you actually get a paycheck. And so what I did was I made like 5 phone calls up there. I told them I was sending them an entertainer, and that he was already trained in balloons and face painting and stilt walking and all of this stuff. And he immediately started working in the Bay Area, because number one, he needed the income, but number two, he's subcontracted for these other companies. So find other people that will sell your services for you. All right, it may go under their banner, may go under their name with their business card, but that's okay. You're getting paid to practice, right? So number 2, get other people to sell your services for you. I hope you got something out of this. I'm sure that you did. Go to my coaching site. Again, it's down in the link below. Subscribe, do the little button, and you'll get to see a bunch of new videos, because I'm doing more videos too about a bunch of new stuff, more skills and more business ideas. All right, have a great day, and I wish you the best success in this crazy business.